Hey guys, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. It is Classic Ani, and today we are going to be doing an honest hair review on Alipearl hair. They reached out to me and asked me to give an honest review. So even if this wasn't sponsored, I still get coins in hair regardless. So I'm going to keep it real with y'all. And I haven't even touched the hair yet. Haven't got a chance to really see what's in the bag, but I did open the package, of course, and I was so surprised. So right now, what you guys are going to witness is a natural reaction. Okay, honey, so it says HD lace. It's medium cap size, exactly what I asked for. And it's 13 by 4. So what more could you ask for? Okay, so let's go ahead and let's open the bag, guys. Let's open the bag. I am so sorry, y'all. My camera keeps cutting off. But let's go ahead. Ooh. So let's look at the lace. The knots are really small on here, which is amazing. Trying to put it up close so you guys can see. They're very small. Like, look at the body of the hair inside of the neck, guys. Oh. It smells really good. There's like no shedding, guys. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, there's no shedding. And I've ran my fingers through it numerous of times, so that's kind of why it looks like it's been brushed out. Yeah, so I'm going to bleach the knots on here. They don't want me to dye it, but for my skin tone and the way I install my wigs, I do bleach the lace. Okay guys, so we will be doing this tutorial in my bathroom. I do have this beautiful 13 by 4 lace front, and they did give me a couple of extra tools to help me install my hair. A lot of complimentary items that I didn't get a chance to take advantage of, but I still do very much appreciate it. They gave me this scarf, a wig cap, an edge brush, and an edge scarf, and even an extra elastic band for extra securage, and some pretty mink lashes that I did not get to wear. Okay guys, so after I bleached the knots, this is how it looks. You barely can see the lace. Like, literally, this is the cap and there's the lace. Like, from right here, only you can see it from the edge, which isn't amazing. So I'm about to just go ahead and install this. It looks amazing. I bleached the knots and I did hot comb this off camera because I do not trust myself with the hot comb, guys, on my head yet. So I did notice that this kind of lost its natural curl, but it could have been because of the heat from the blow dryer, and maybe over time that curl is going to come back. But also it doesn't matter because I'm going to wand curl it while I'm styling it while I'm installing. One thing that I found out that was very impressive was how see-through the lace was when I was applying the foundation on it. You can barely see the knots on it, and you can see almost straight through it. And I just had a feeling that it was just going to be a really good thing. Ooh. All right, let me stop. Okay, so far so good. I still gotta put in so much arm room for the curls though. Let's just brush this out and line it up. This is my first hair review and first frontal install on YouTube, guys, so please bear with me. One of the things that I loved about this 13 by 4 frontal is that it wasn't so dense to the point where it was hard to find the part to cut out the ear. I really do love it. I was able to see almost straight through the lace so that I can be able to cut it successfully without cutting too much hair. Okay, so we cut about this much. that ain't really nothing. It's alright. So we're gonna do the same thing for the other side as we get closer to beauty. Okay. Ooh. Oh god. Where my ear at? Okay. Okay. Woo! Child! That was scary. Yes, I won't be wearing a cap. This is a no cap method. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. Like too much baby hair, to be honest, so like I try to leave out as least as possible, and this is HD, so it's just like it's already natural, so there's really no need to do the dramatics. Like the lace on here is amazing. It looks so much better in person than it probably looks on camera right now, and I'm just being so real. If you know, you know. No mentions. But it looks so much better in person. Like, I wish you guys were really here with me because this is my first install. So hopefully you guys learned something or if this solved your problem. This is so natural looking. Oh, ooh, this is so natural looking. Okay. I actually think I'm gonna.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
No curl needs to be left behind. Okay. Overall in all, I did love this HD lace, but I did wish that it could hold a curl a little bit better. I even tried cutting it into layers so I can get that effect with the curls. And honestly, it could be just the technique that I'm using to curl the hair. Maybe I just need to learn how to curl hair better. But for this personal specific experience, I just wish that the hair cooperated a little bit better when I did need to curl it. But this lace is immaculate. I love their HD and I absolutely fell in love with it. This is no filter. I love this hair. And it looks so real too. This HD lace, it's gonna cost you an extra $1. But come on, you gonna get more fellas that holler, like, period. Ooh, like, this looks like it's for real. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.